While I vacuum the floor, can you please get the high dusting tool?
Here is the high dusting tool. Where do you want me to clean?
Not inside the room. I want you to clean the hallway. We have to clean the ceiling regularly to make sure that cobwebs do not grow on them. If you look closely near that door, you can see some cobwebs.
I cannot see it.
Yes, cobwebs are sometimes hard to spot. So it is best to have a regular cleaning schedule. You will need to develop an eye for detail. You have to look closely. Spider webs are usually very frail and light. However, over time they gather dust and start to become visible. See there, J, on the right-hand corner. Can you see a very slight discoloration? There is some signs of cobwebs.
Yes, I see it now from this distance. Let me clean it then using this brush.
When cleaning the cobwebs, make sure you do not drag the brush over the cobwebs. They will stick to the wall and leave marks. Slowly twist the brush so that the cobwebs get entangled around the brush.
See, I have removed the cobwebs.
Very nice. Now just complete this entire corridor. Even if you do not see any cobwebs, periodic cleaning of ceiling is required. If you need to use our ladder, do call me. I will hold the ladder for you.
Okay, I will call you in case I need to use the ladder. But why do I need to call someone while using the ladder?
While working on a ladder, it can wobble and you may fall down. It is a best practice to have someone hold it so that it is secure.
Did you learn how to clean the ceiling as well? I learned about paying attention to detail, and how to remove cobwebs properly. If you wish to watch more videos, and receive notification when we release new video, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notification.
If you liked this video, do check out links to other playlists in the description box below. Also on the right, you will see more videos about housekeeping that can make your task easier, so do remember to continue watching.